An industrial organizational psychologist typically makes between 124,000 Rand to 639,000 Rand. The average salary for an industrial organizational psychologist in South Africa is 297,470 Rand with 19,916 Rand as bonus and 31,000 Rand as profit sharing. You might also be wondering, what is the pay by experience level for industrial organizational psychologists? Here is the answer to the question. An entry-level industrial organizational psychologist with less than 1 year experience can expect to earn an average total compensation of 216,190 Rand based on 30 salaries. An early career industrial organizational psychologist with 1 to 4 years of experience earns an average total compensation of 259,965 Rand based on 167 salaries. A mid-career industrial organizational psychologist with 5 to 9 years of experience earns an average total compensation of 370,319 Rand based on 48 salaries. An experienced industrial organizational psychologist with 10 to 19 years of experience earns an average total compensation of 521,796 Rand based on 23 salaries. In their late career, employees earn an average total compensation of 766,917 Rand. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to get daily updates. Thanks for watching.